So if you want to know who are the closest people within a group or the person who likes you the most, just pay attention to who looks at you while people laugh. People don't like other people forgetting their names. They will definitely feel bad. Have firm eye contact with that person while they are talking to you. But if you immediately want to feel relaxed or cool, all you can do is dish. Something was wet in his hand. Don't know what the hell was that. Let me wash it. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Sarfaraz Khan. Let me start this video with a question today. What do you think is the most complex thing in this whole universe? It is connected to a lot of things and it is really difficult to even understand it. What is the answer? But let me give you a small clue. We won't be able to live without it. What are you saying, Sarfaraz? We won't be able to live without the most complicated thing in the world? No, we won't. So what do you think is the answer? Is it food or water or people or something like that? With my action now, you will be able to understand the answer. It stays inside here, the human brain. The brain is the last and grandest biological frontier, the most complex thing we have yet discovered in our universe. It contains hundreds of billions of cells, interlinked through trillions of connections. Okay, facts apart. The most complex thing in the whole universe, the human brain, can be easily tricked or hacked by using some simple techniques. And most of the successful people in this world use these simple techniques in an everyday basis. Sounds amazing, right? This video is going to be amazing as well. So if you're coming here for the first time, my name is Sarfaraz Khan. I talk about self-improvement, student life and the things by which you can improve your knowledge. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel because that motivates me a lot to make more videos just for you. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video right now. If you want to find out who likes you while in a group, pay attention to who looks at you while laughing. So if you want to know who are the closest people within a group or the person who likes you the most, just pay attention to who looks at you while people laugh. This may not be 100% true, but this works most of the time. Because psychologically, people will turn to the person whom they like the most while in a happy emotion or in a happy state of mind. For example, laughter. If you want to get a positive impression from someone, buy them a gift or do them a small favor. So let me explain this with an example. Let's take that you go to college every day. You want at least some people to have a good impression or some good thoughts about you. But on the other side, you'll definitely not want to stay in a group where you don't like people or people don't like you. By that way, if you want to make people cultivate some good thoughts or have a good impression about you, you can just do these simple things. Do them a small favor. It could be anything. Or on the other side, buy them a small gift. It could be as small as a chocolate. If you do this, you'll automatically make that person cultivate good thoughts about you, and that is going to benefit you. If you receive a dissatisfactory answer from a person, remain silent and look at them deep in the eyes. So let's take that you are in a conversation right now. You ask a question to the other person, but unfortunately you receive a dissatisfactory answer. An answer you didn't want or the answer you didn't like. Instead of reacting or moving on to the next question, just do this. Remain silent and have firm eye contact. Because the combination of silence and firm eye contact can make a person feel a bit restricted. And guess what? The chances are very high that that person is going to reframe the answer that they gave in a more positive way and in a way which you like. If you want to make people feel special, call them by their names. So let me tell you something interesting. The most sweetest word that people could hear is their own name, believe it or not. Because a person will feel instantly special when you call him or her by their names. But on the exact opposite side, people don't like other people forgetting their names. They will definitely feel bad. But difficult names are always difficult to remember. For example, a name like Sarfaraz Khan. But on the other side, you can always make efforts to remember people by their names. Write down your thoughts when you feel anxious or stressed. We all must have come across situations where we feel anxious or stressed. It happens to everyone. But sometimes we won't be able to share our thoughts or share our feelings with someone. When this happens, all you can do is write your thoughts down. It could be anywhere. I'm not asking you to write with pen and paper. You can always type it out easily. Your phone will definitely have a notepad, right? You can use that. By doing this simple task, you will definitely feel the burden reduced. If you really want help from someone, make them feel needed. Asking help from someone is really common with everyone, right? At sometimes we won't be able to do everything that we wanted to do. So approaching someone to get things done for us is really common with everyone. Sometimes we may receive help, sometimes we may not receive help. But there is something you can do over here. In order to make sure that you will receive help from the person you're approaching, just start your sentence with just this simple phrase. I need your help. Because psychologically, people like to feel needed by other people. Okay, this person is needing my help, she needs me or he needs me. People like these kind of feelings. And what's gonna happen? They are automatically gonna incline towards you and help you. Make your hands warm before you give a handshake. We all know the importance of a handshake, right? Whether it is in your personal circle or your professional circle, a good handshake is mandatory. Why is it so? Because a good handshake will show people that you have a great body language. So for the next time before you give a handshake, add on this information. Make sure you warm your hands before you give a handshake, because two things. Cold hands will make people know that you are nervous to talk to them. And the second one, wet hands. Wet hands will definitely make people very, very uncomfortable. Something was wet in his hand. I don't know what the hell was that. Let me wash it. Make a person feel comfortable while talking to you by mimicking their body language. Did you know that body language plays a very important role, especially while communicating with people? If you want to know more about body language tips, just watch this video over here. So while talking to someone, it is very important to make that person feel comfortable to talk to us, like comfortable to share things with us. For that, you can do these two things. Have firm eye contact with that person while they are talking to you. And the second one, try to mimic their body language, like trying to copy their body language. If they are standing in a particular position, just copy it. If their hands are in a particular position, copy it as well. Just try to copy whatever they are doing. By doing these simple things, you unconsciously make that person feel comfortable with you. If you want to influence people's decisions according to your preference, give them a choice within your preference. This is somewhat confusing, but let me explain with an example. Let's take that you are supposed to take care of a small kid for one day. It's 4 p.m. in the evening, your parents and his parents as well have asked you to bring him to a function. Additionally, you were also instructed by his parents to make him wear a shirt and not a t-shirt, but he loves wearing t-shirts. So what is the first thing that you'll do? You'll go and ask him, do you want to wear a shirt? And probably he's gonna refuse. Instead of this, you can do one more thing. Just pick 2 shirts of your choice, go straight to him and ask this, do you want to wear a blue shirt or an orange shirt? So what is gonna happen here? Mentally, he's gonna assume that he is in charge, like he can decide what he wants to wear. And most probably, he'll end up choosing one of these 2 shirts. Task accomplished. All you wanted was make him wear a shirt. That's it. But wait a minute. Will this work for everyone regardless of the age, apart from children? That depends on how well and how intelligently you give them a choice. So now do you understand the capacity of a human brain? It can think so much. If someone makes a joke and laughs at you, remain silent and look at them or laugh along with them. Just try this for the next time. When someone makes fun of you or laughs at you, you can do these 2 things. Either remain silent or laugh along with them. They are definitely gonna stop making fun of you. So just don't care about what they say and laugh along. This is much easier than getting agitated or triggered. Hold a pencil in your mouth if you feel stressed or anxious. So just like I said before, if you feel stressed or anxious, you can write down your thoughts somewhere. But if you immediately want to feel relaxed or cool, all you can do is this. Literally by holding a pencil between your teeth, you can feel the anxiety and stress going away. And you can also feel happiness for a certain extent. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman conducted an experiment. Those who held the pencil horizontally forcing a smiling expression reported higher levels of happiness than those who held the pencil vertically forcing a frowning expression. If you want to make someone develop a liking towards you, borrow a pencil from them. Just another simple trick with a pencil. Try borrowing a pencil from someone, and that will result in that person having good thoughts about you. So friends, I hope that this video is very interesting for you to watch, and it would have been quite weird. So let me know in the comment section if you want a part 2 of this video, because psychological facts are tons in number. And if you want me to make another video, I'll do it for you. All you have to do is just comment below, yes, I want a part 2 of this video. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and drop your comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new videos every week. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.
I'll bring that fire, then I'll make it rain. Look at this boy, have I gone insane? I'm living